Can a 5-watt solar panel charge a car battery? Solar energy is an attractive option for various applications, including the charging of car batteries. However, the capability of a 5-watt solar panel to charge a car battery is limited. Here's a detailed look at what you can realistically expect from such a solar panel. Understanding solar panel power. A solar panel's power is measured in watts, which indicates how much energy it can generate under optimal conditions. A 5-watt solar panel is on the smaller side and is generally used for low-power tasks, such as maintaining small devices or batteries. Car battery capacity. Car batteries typically have a significant capacity because they need to power a range of electrical systems in the vehicle, including the engine starter, lights, and various electronics. A typical car battery might have a capacity that requires much more energy to charge than a small solar panel can provide quickly. Practical use of a 5-watt solar panel. 1. Maintenance and trickle charging. One of the best uses for a 5-watt solar panel is to maintain the charge of a car battery. This is especially useful for vehicles that are not used frequently. The panel can help counteract the natural self-discharge that occurs when a battery is idle for long periods. 2. Slow charging. While it is technically possible for a 5-watt panel to add charge to a car battery, the process would be very slow. In ideal sunlight conditions, this panel might provide a small amount of energy over several days, but it is not efficient for charging a depleted battery from empty to full. 3. Ideal conditions. The effectiveness of a 5-watt solar panel depends heavily on environmental conditions. Optimal sunlight, usually around midday on a clear day, is necessary for the panel to produce its maximum power. Partial shade, cloudy weather, or the angle of the sun can significantly reduce the energy output. 4. Solar charge controllers. When using solar panels to charge batteries, a solar charge controller is often necessary to prevent overcharging and to manage the charging process safely. This is particularly important even with small panels, as it ensures the battery receives the correct amount of charge. Limitations and considerations. 1. Charging a car battery with a 5-watt panel requires considerable time. If the battery is completely drained, it could take weeks of constant sunlight to charge it fully. This makes a 5-watt panel impractical for regular charging needs. 2. Car batteries are designed to provide a large burst of power to start the engine and run the car's electronics. The small, steady output of a 5-watt solar panel cannot meet this demand in a short period. 3. Instead of relying solely on a small solar panel, many people use it as a supplementary source of power. It can be paired with a larger solar system or used in conjunction with other charging methods to keep the battery topped. Solar-powered accessories. To maintaining a car battery, small solar panels can power various low-energy automotive accessories. For example, a 5-watt panel can be used to run a car's small fans, LED lights, or USB chargers for devices like phones and tablets. This can be particularly handy for camping trips or long drives where access to traditional power sources might be limited. Conclusion. While a 5-watt solar panel can contribute to the maintenance of a car battery's charge, it is not practical for fully charging a battery in a reasonable time frame. It is best suited for trickle charging, maintaining the charge level of an infrequently used vehicle, or providing a slight boost to a battery's power.